Hey guys, what's up? It's Jesse here at Fantasy Customs. Today we've got a 2004 Camry. I believe this is the LE here. And I didn't find a whole lot of videos about changing these wheel bearings because I see most of them have disc brakes in the rear, but this LE has drum brakes in the rear. We've got a new move part here. This should be the right one. It's number. So I don't think that's the number. Where's the number? Let's see if it says on it. Move 512208. That should be the part number. And so let's go ahead and get started. This is the old one. It's actually hard to see, but it has a little bit of play in it. See, so we're up here in Michigan, and this is the old piece. This is routed through, which is, let's see if we can get it off. This back piece was routed through, which, if I get it off, show you when that rots through. There's what's left of the grease in there, and as you can see, it doesn't do too good. So anyways, I'm just trying to get this inner surface cleaned up enough, and then as you can see here, if it doesn't get filled with dirt, there's supposed to be a spot there where it could drain out if it wanted to. So get this all cleaned up. This is important. A new one. A new one. There it is. Okay guys, that's it. That's the Toyota Camry. I think there's a few other models that have this same wheel bearing. Solera, Corolla, and the disc brake version of this repair is really not that much different at all. Pretty much the same thing no matter what, but it is a different part. With the disc brakes, you're probably going to have an ABS plug-in on that bearing, and so you're going to want a high quality bearing like a Moog or a Timken, or I don't know, I'm not going to throw a bunch of names out there, but the more expensive bearings tend to usually, I would at least hope, to be a little bit better than some of the cheaper bearings. So definitely, if you want it to last a long time and you're going to be driving it, go ahead and get a more expensive bearing, and that will help you from having to get in there every 10,000 miles or so. Anyway, so I hope this helped you out. I noticed that on the previous version of Camrys, which is like the, I don't know, 97 through 2002 or 2001 or something, all pretty much had this same repair, and I believe it is the same bearing. I'm not 100% sure on that, but either way, the newer style with the disc brakes is pretty much the same, and that's going to be all the way up till like 2012 is going to be a similar repair to this. So hopefully that helps you guys out. As far as torque specs go for everything, just get it as tight as you can without breaking it, and that should be plenty. If you want to put some Loctite on there, that's fine. Otherwise, I think it'll be just fine. Alrighty guys, take care.